Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Moise. If you are new here, thank you for watching my video. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to find manufacturers for your clothing brand or for anything that you want to do. Bags, like custom bags, custom hats, custom t-shirt, anything you want to do. I'm going to show you guys how you can find good manufacturer can make those things for you. So let's get into the video. Okay, so if you want to check out my clothing brand, please go follow me on Instagram, Faith Love Africa. I will leave the link below. But without wasting your time, let's get into it. So for most people that already know it, Alibaba. I know a lot of people know about Alibaba, but they don't know how to find good manufacturers that can make their stuff for them, because there are a lot of scammers there. And so let's go ahead and look for Alibaba. And so we click on Alibaba. I'll leave the link below, so you guys can just click on it. I will log into my account so that I can show you guys what I've been talking to my manufacturer, like once I find one, like what I say to them. So let's look for, let's say we want to look for bomber jacket. So we type bomber jacket. We have all that. You see, all of them looks good. And you ask yourself, oh man, this looks really good. I want to reach out to them. But before you do that, we have to filter it so that we know that those people can do our job, can have quality product for us. So we're going to click on verify. And I like to click on the trade assurance. Click on that. And so right now, we have people that have been verified. Personally, don't reach out to people that are less than 2 years. I reach out to people that are more than 2 years. So I will look for a 4 years and up. 4 years and up. So we got 4 years here, 4 years there, 3 years, and not really. Sometimes I reach out to them, but sometimes I stay on top. Right here, I got 5 years here, 6 years. So let's click on the 6 years one. And I like to look at what they do. So they do bomber jacket for women, for ladies. And so you can reach out to them now and start a conversation with them to see if they can do, or if they can help you make your bomber jacket for your business. And so all you can do, you don't do start order, because if you just want to buy what they already have, you can buy it. But if you want them to customize it for you, you click on contact suppliers and you just fill it out. That add customization, 7-day customization. There's a lot. We just put anything there. I always put anything there and just write something about your business. And then you send inquiry. You just send an inquiry to them. Sometimes they reply to you immediately, but sometimes it takes time for them to reply to you. So maybe the next day or like a couple hours. And so here are the different example. So that was me. I reach out to the person. I ask them, do you make a sample? You say yes. You always need the sample. Always need sample. Always ask them to send you sample so that you double check the quality before you buy a lot. Don't just go ahead and then buy a bulk of everything that when it comes, then the quality is bad, you lose all your money. So make sure you ask for sample. And so I asked for the sample. She said US is 30 shipping cost. And so for her to send me a sample of this, I need to pay $60. What is it? I need to pay $60 for the sample. So for her to make it and then ship it to me here in the United States, I need to pay 60. Sometimes the price are not that bad, but sometimes the price are really bad. And so this is how you find a manufacturer overseas for your clothing brand. And also a different one is just on Instagram or Facebook. You just go on Instagram. When you start posting a lot, they will reach out to you. That's how I find some of my manufacturers, because they just reach out to me and be like, hey, we like what you're doing. We can make you quality stuff. And I was like, okay, how much you charge for your sample? And then they will tell you how much they charge for the sample. Some people send you free sample so that you look at it. Some people, you pay them to make the sample, and then they will send it to you. If you have other questions, please type it below and I'll reply to you, or I'll make a video to reply to your question. I hope you love the video, and please, before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to grow my channel, because I don't have a lot of subscribers, so I need you to follow me and share the video. So thank you. Stay blessed. Peace.